The students drowsed and droned in the teacher's ponderous monotone, limp bodies looping in the wordy heat, melted and run together, desks and flesh as one, swooning and swimming in a sea of drone. Each one asleep, swayed and vaguely drifted, with lidding eyes and lolling, weighted heads, was caught on heavy waves and dimly lifted, sunk slowly, ears ringing in the syrup of his sound, or borne from the room on a heaving wilderness of beds. And then, on a sudden, a bird's cool voice punched out song, crisp and spare, on the startled air, beak beamed or idly tossed. Each note gleamed like a bead of frost. A bird's cool voice from a neighbor tree, with 5 clear calls, mere grains of sound, rare and neat, repeated twice, but they sprang the heat like drops of ice. Ears cocked before the comment ran, fading and chuckling where a wattle stirred. The students wondered how they could have heard such dreary monotones from man, such wisdom from a bird.